Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the mesh for controlled edges. First, apply a scale transform so bevels behave predictably. This prevents odd widths. Once done, enable Auto Smooth and Edge Split to keep shading clean. Next, add a bevel modifier with a small width like 0, 2 and 2 segments to test. This gives a crisp profile without heavy geometry. While in edit mode, use Shift plus Alt clicking to loop select edges, because precise selection drives every subsequent operation. Now you refine edge behavior with targeted controls. Use edge crease, Shift plus E, set near 0. 8 where you want tighter corners. This informs subdivision and keeps corners sharp. Then paint or set bevel weight per edge in the end panel so the modifier affects only intended edges. Make sure to check normals and shading. Recalculate normals outward if faces look inverted. Once satisfied, apply the bevel modifier or convert it to a mesh to lock the geometry, but do so only after verifying visual results. Finish by cleaning up and ensuring stable shading across renders. Add a weighted normals modifier set around 0. 8 to unify vertex normals, which improves highlight consistency on beveled edges. Then remove duplicate vertices and run a quick mesh cleanup. Only use decimate if you must reduce poly count because it can ruin bevel profiles. If you see artifacts, inspect for non-manifold edges or flipped normals, and fix those before reapplying modifiers. This single troubleshooting step resolves most edge problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.